We've really had fun trying out the Genmitsu 3018 Pro router. They sent it to us to give it a try. It is fantastic. The machine comes with, I believe, 10 of these bits, but what is really neat, there is so much versatility with this unit. This is a pamphlet that they included with the machine that tells you all different kinds of bits, what they do, what they're good at cutting. This machine can cut acrylic, which I'm super excited to try, wood, but all of these bits, they're available to do different kinds of projects, and you can put them right in the machine and give them a try. We have only tried the ones that it came with, which is the, I believe, the V20s, but a whole bunch of potential. The sky's the limit on the kind of projects that we're going to be able to do. Okay, the kit comes with about 10 bits, and these boogers are really sharp. So when at all possible, keep the little protective coating on the tip. And this is the collet. It screws onto the bottom of the machine, and as you put the bit in there, it's clamping around the bottom of it. So I'll put this back on. I'm going to slide down the protective coating just a little bit so it can get into the opening. And you'll just feel around and slide it up. And the machine comes with 2 wrenches. So I'm going to just hand tighten this just a little bit so that it keeps it in there. There we go, it's going on nice now. But we want to make sure it's nice and tight. 2 different sizes. The large one goes on the bottom. And that's just to hold it steady. And then you're going to use the top one to do the tightening, and you just slide it into the groove and tighten it up. And you want it to be good and tight. And now you can pull off your protective coating. You can use these knobs to move your project, move the X and Y axis by moving your head back and forth this way, or the project up and back with this bottom knob. You can also move the height of the head by doing the Z-axis knob here. It brings it up and down. There's controls on most software that does that, but this is handy to go a little bit faster and get it to where you want it to go before you need to precisely line it up. What we've learned is you want to have your bit paper distance away from your project. So slide a scrap piece of paper under there, and then use the controls on your software and bring it down. And if you can pull out the paper, it's good, but see here, it's too tight. So I'm going to go up. Now I've adjusted my software to go down only 0.01. So it's just tiny, tiny bit at a time until you can't move your paper. There we go. This is just a simple design that I put together so that we can test it out. I did do a lot of practice projects before I got to this one, and that's the best way to learn. Just do practice projects. The program was accurate. It said it was going to take about 47 minutes for this project to complete, and it did. It was right about 47 minutes, super fast in my opinion, because I've done projects on laser engravers that take hours and hours. This is just really fast. Okay, so here's the project all complete. To give you some ideas of my depth, I just wanted to play around and see what it looked like. These are all 1/4 inch deep, which I think is too deep for this boot. It doesn't give it the right look, but I just wanted to see how good the machine would do, and it just did fantastic, as you could tell from the video. At the end of the run, the board did come loose, and we have a little mar there. So Ross and I, we're going to investigate how to improve upon the clamping down of the project, because that is something you need to make sure that your project is nice and secure. We're just really thankful for Genmitsu and Saint Smart for sending us this machine to try. I am excited. I have years of projects ahead of me. This thing is so powerful, so precise. I'm just in love.